It's so simple to make this delicious infused vanilla honey at home. You can use this flavored honey in almost anything. Drizzle it over fresh biscuits, toast, or muffins, or stir it into your favorite tea. The speckled vanilla beans look really pretty in a jar, so it also makes a great homemade gift for the holidays. You only need 2 ingredients for this recipe. You'll need honey, of course, and we recommend using a mild flavored honey so the vanilla can shine through. You'll also need vanilla bean pods. High quality vanilla beans are plump, flexible, and leave a slightly oily residue on your finger. In contrast, lower quality vanilla beans are drier and smaller. Use the best ones you can get. Start by slicing the vanilla bean pods lengthwise with a sharp knife. Then use the back of that knife to scrape down the pods to remove the beans. You can repeat this a couple times to make sure you've got everything. And there's still flavor in those pods, so we're going to cut them in half so they fit in the jar too. To steep honey, you can use either the cold or hot method. The cold method involves no cooking or heat, which is great if you prefer to consume raw honey. All you need to do is combine the honey, vanilla beans, and pods in a jar. Make sure the jar is clean and dry because you don't want to introduce moisture into the honey. This reduces its shelf life. Then just let the honey steep for at least 5 days or ideally longer, like a week or 2 for more flavor. The vanilla will float to the top of the honey, so we recommend flipping the jar or stirring every day or so. If you don't mind heating the honey, you can use the hot method, which speeds up steeping time. Add the honey, vanilla beans, and pods to a small pot. Warm over the lowest heat until the flavor has infused to your liking, about 10 or 15 minutes. You want to warm the honey, not boil it, so keep stirring it frequently, and seriously, use the lowest heat setting on the smallest element. If, after 15 minutes, you still want stronger flavor, leave the pods in the jar and remove them later. There are so many ways to enjoy this vanilla honey, from baked goods to yogurt, whipped cream and berries to cocktails or hot drinks. Keep a jar in your kitchen and watch it disappear quick.